These teenagers restrained with handcuffs and leg shackles filed into juvenile court today, one after another.
They're suspects in a recent rash of school threats, and the judge had a clear message for them.
This is happening too much, okay? And with the incidents that just happened in Florida, this isn't funny.
Thanks so much for joining us. Police say so far all the threats made to area schools have been bogus.
But the consequences for those making those threats are very, very real. And some of these juvenile suspects got a bitter reality check today during a court appearance. Chris 6 News reporter Sylvia Martinez was there. She joins us now with the details.
Well, 10 juveniles have been arrested in the past week over the rash of threats made to different schools. 6 of those kids were in juvenile court this morning to find out what happens next for them. Watching it all was a courtroom packed with parents. Some came in one at a time with their hands in cuffs and their legs in shackles, all facing the same accusation, but each not knowing what was in store for them. Judge Tim McCoy quickly set the tone for the hearing.
And I have to make sure you're mentally fit and not going to follow through with a threat like that.
One by one, the teens and their parents went before Judge McCoy, asking that the young suspects be released to their parents. McCoy took a more severe view of the situation.
And everybody needs to know that if you come in here for making a threat like that, that's what's going to happen. You understand? You're not going to walk out of here until I know you're safe. And I know everybody else is safe.
Some family members urged their accused child to take responsibility for their actions.
You did it, honey. You did it. You got to do it. You got to get through it.
All 6 juveniles will remain in detention. That could mean 2 weeks to a month. They'll also face a psychological evaluation. Their parents offered hope and support.
This is something you did, you deserve to be punished. If you didn't, by all means, come here and I can help.
Judge McCoy made sure these juvenile suspects understood that the crime they're accused of committing is no laughing matter.
This is happening too much, okay? And with the incidents that just happened in Florida, this isn't funny. Okay, this stuff happens, they shut schools down, the law enforcement resources are wasted.
This hearing was brief. It lasted about an hour. But for the 6 juveniles who went before the judge, it's the beginning of a long journey that should have never happened. Once these juveniles are released from detention, they may not be allowed back in their home campuses, and they may have to attend an alternative school. Their parents may also have to pay a monthly probation fees. In the studio, Sylvia Martinez, Chris 6 News.
All right, thank you very much, Sylvia. Now, 4 of the teenagers at today's hearing attended Driscoll Middle School. Another one attends Hamlin Middle School, and another one an Adkins Middle School student.